Good morning, students. I myself Divakar Pandey from Nagar Modern English School, Nevada. And today I am going to provide you my fourth video lecture of lesson 4 in history, and the topic is in the earliest cities, which has been taken from class 6. In my previous video lecture, I have also discussed you about which type of objects had been made and had been found from Harappan cities. Now today I am going to discuss you about the remains of cotton. Yes, archaeologists have found out the remains of cotton from Mehergarh, and it is said probably in Mehergarh about 7,000 years ago cotton was grown because the remains of cotton have been found from that place. Now after it we come to actual pieces of cloths and a spindle horse that have been found from Mohenjo-daro. Because archaeologists have found from here cloths that were lead to the silver vase or some copper objects that have been found from Mohenjo-daro, and a spanel it means we can say that it was a spanel holes. It means a spanel holes was that object, that tool from which thread were made, and it was made up of fans. Now you will ask, what is fans? Yes, it is a material that is artificially produced. It was used to make beads, bangles, earrings, and teeny vessels. After it, when we study, we find the archaeologists have also find or search raw materials. It means today we have to know about in search of raw materials. Raw materials are those substances that are either found naturally or produced by farmers or herders. It means and processed to product finished good. So like these are the raw materials from which the farmers and herders processed to product finished food, such as wood, ores of metals. These are called raw materials. Farmers produced cotton like this. These are called raw materials. Some of the raw materials that were used by Harappan's people, they were available in the locality, but many times such as copper, tin, gold, silver, and precious stones had to be brought from distant places. Like as copper had been found from Rajasthan and Oman, which is located in West Asia. Now we come to tin. Tin was available from Afghanistan and Iran, and gold from Karnataka. It means gold was found from Karnataka. Now we come to precious stones. Precious stones were found from Gujarat, Iran, Afghanistan, like this. So these were the remains of those objects that were used by the Harappan cities people. After it, we come to the next point, and this point is about food for people in cities. Who grow food for people who lived in cities? First of all, we try to know which type of people used to live in cities. Yes, craft persons, scribes, and rulers are those persons who lived in the cities, but farmers and herders used to live in countryside. It means they were villagers, and these farmers and herders used to cultivate lands. They grew different kinds of food crops, and herders used to rear animals. These were the people who supplied food for those people who lived in the cities. like craft persons, scribes, and rulers. These were the person for whom these farmers and herders used to supply food. But these farmers and herders were villagers who did not live in the cities. Now we come to which type of crops generally they grew. Yes, through the remains of plants, we know the Harappan peoples grew wheat, barley, pulses, rice, sesame, linseed, and mustard. So these were the important crops that were grown by the Harappan people. Now we come to archaeologists. Archaeologists have found plows also, and it was a new tool. These plows that was used to dig earth for turning soil and planting seeds. These plows were made of wood, but now these have not been survived. Now only toy model plows have been found by the archaeologist. As this region was, it means this region did not have heavy rainwater, so heavy rainfall. So this area does not have heavy rainfall. So water was stored in this area for irrigation work. Which type of animals Harappan people used to rear? Yes, they used to rear cattle, sheep, goat, buffalo because water and pasture were available around their settlement. In the dry season, when it became summer months, these herds of animals were taken probably to a greater distance in search of grass and water. Now, beside these works, what did the Harappan people used to do? Yes, Harappan people used to catch fish. They used to collect fruits like as bear, and they used to hunt animals like antelope.